Design versatility, energy efficiency, eco-friendly operation. These are just some of the reasons why Infratech electric infrared heating systems are featured in some of the most sought-after residential and commercial properties in the world. Leading architects, designers, premium home builders, engineers, and homeowners choose the Infratech brand as much for our industry-leading quality, performance, and technology as for the broad array of benefits offered by our electric heating systems. Our distinctive quartz elements generate a safe, clean wavelength of light that is only absorbed by solid objects, so they transfer heat directly to a person, table, or floor rather than heating the air. Our energy-efficient infrared electric heaters convert over 90% of input energy directly into radiant heat, require minimal maintenance, and operate for just pennies per hour. When in operation, Infratech medium-wave electric heaters provide a pleasing glow that will not affect the ambiance of your gathering, unlike competitive short-wave or halogen electric heaters that produce a very harsh glare. Our heaters operate silently, emit no greenhouse gases or unpleasant odors, and do not require ventilation. Infratech offers versatility in all aspects of our heating lineup, from optional color choices including custom colors, a variety of mounting options, and control options to fit any situation, any budget. Our company has been an industry leader for more than 50 years. All Infratech products are proudly made in the USA and backed by our extensive 3-year warranty. Infratech's product selection ensures that you'll be able to choose the appropriate heaters that best suit your space and decor. Infratech products include our minimalist, visually compelling Contemporary Series single and dual element heaters, W Series single element heaters, WD Series dual element heaters, and our sleek, modern SL Series slimline single element heaters. For mounting, Infratech heaters come with 6-inch brackets to meet clearance requirements and can be mounted to a wall, ceiling, or pole. All C, CD, W, and WD series heaters are compatible with our ever-popular flush mount application. To flush mount an Infratech heater, you must also order a flush mount frame, which is an additional accessory to the heaters that is sold separately. The flush mount frame may be installed with the edges exposed or can be covered by a drywall, plaster, stucco, or tongue and groove wood sealing treatment to blend seamlessly into your decor. Because we manufacture all of our products in-house, we make it easy for your design team to work with us to develop heating systems for any special project. The contemporary styling of our C Series is designed to maximize comfort and design in high visibility spaces. Our Contemporary Series single-element heaters offer a slim design and compact profile with hidden adjustable mounting brackets to create a floating effect for optimal warmth in locations where a more minimal design aesthetic is desired. Our classic W Series single-element heaters are ideal for most basic outdoor installations. These heaters feature low clearance requirements for a pleasing, streamlined look. Infratech's C Series and W Series single-element heaters are made of 304 stainless steel, come in a variety of wattages, and can be mounted at heights ranging from 7 to 11 feet. C and W Series single-element heaters operate at a lower wattage than some of our other product series, making them ideal for use in properties that have minimal power allotment. C Series and W Series heaters are compatible with our value controls and any of our 3 custom control options that offer the ultimate way to ensure your comfort. Infratech's powerful Contemporary Series dual-element heaters feature the same design advantages as the single-element C Series, but provide more concentrated heat for larger-scale applications where a minimal design aesthetic is desired. CD Series dual-element heaters are available in a variety of wattages and can be mounted at heights ranging from 8 to 14 feet. Infratech's high-powered WD Series dual-element heaters are our customers' most popular choice. WD Series heaters provide more concentrated heat, making them ideal for recessed applications, premium outdoor heating applications, and large-scale coverage needs. Our WD dual-element heaters come in a variety of wattages and can be mounted at heights ranging from 7 to 14 feet. Infratech's CD Series and WD Series heaters are made of 304 stainless steel and are often installed with any of our 3 custom control options that allow true intensity control, zoning capabilities, timer switches, and more. The CD series and WD series heaters are also compatible with Infratech's value-priced duplex stack switch. The stack switch offers the ability to turn on and off each element independently, effectively providing half-power, full-power capabilities. Infratech's SL series slimline heaters have been designed with a clean, modern silhouette, narrow profile, and low clearance requirements. Slimline single-element heaters add designer appeal to any ceiling or wall mount applications. Slimline SL series single-element heaters come in a variety of wattages and can be mounted at heights ranging from 7 to 11 feet. SL series heaters are ideal for adding warmth to any seating area, like pergolas, gazebos, or cabanas, because the heaters virtually disappear into the surrounding decor. SL series single-element heaters are made with durable anodized aluminum housing finishes, silver, bronze, and our all-black slimline shadow that are capable of withstanding years of outdoor use. It's easy to choose a heater that's right for you. At Infratech, we offer the widest range of fixtures, installation options, and control capabilities, offering you a variety of options when it comes to creating your most comfortable spaces. To get started, simply follow these 3 easy steps. Start by measuring the area. First, determine the measurements and mounting heights of the area you would like to heat. Be sure to include the length, width, and height of the area where people will be congregating. Next, select the heaters. Select the heater or heaters that will work both functionally and aesthetically for your space. Consider factors such as wattage, the number of heaters, colors, and mounting options. Now you're ready to choose the controls. Infratech offers a wide range of control options to choose from based on your desired capabilities or budget, including value installations, solid-state control packages, and several smart home integration configurations. Infratech's Universal Control Package comes with a Leviton dimmer to control each heating zone, or can be used with the dimmer of your choice to coordinate with the decor of your home or property. With the Universal Control Package, you can also control your heating system remotely via a smartphone or tablet, or enjoy hands-free voice activation using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-compatible hardware that can be purchased from a third party to achieve this function. If you need help, your Infratech professional can provide you with the extensive, personalized service you need to determine which heater or combination of heaters will work best for your project. Our team is standing by to answer questions or to further assist you with help identifying which products will best serve your needs. If you require help selecting a control package for your heaters, please contact your Infratech professional.